Welcome. If you're looking for a comprehensive email management solution, Xeams could be a great fit. Xeams is a full-fledged email management system that provides secure, efficient, and user-friendly features built for businesses and individuals who need a robust email solution. This site provides solutions to streamline email management while addressing security and organization needs. Let's dive into Xeams' core features. First up, its powerful anti-spam filtering. Xeams offers sophisticated filtering mechanisms which work to eliminate spam, junk, and phishing attempts. This feature alone is a huge asset for anyone dealing with excessive unwanted emails. Another highlight is the customizable email server that allows users to set up, route, and filter emails according to their needs. The flexibility here means that Xeams can handle both large-scale business requirements and individual needs effectively. Email archiving and retention policies are also built into Xeams, which makes it especially valuable for businesses that need to store emails securely for compliance. Plus, the email encryption option ensures sensitive data remains secure. With cloud and on-premises deployment options, Xeams is adaptable to various business setups. The email gateway feature allows users to route emails securely and efficiently, which can improve communication flow for larger organizations. On the downside, the interface may seem slightly outdated for those used to more modern designs, and the setup process, while manageable, might require some technical know-how. Additionally, Xeams' free version is robust, but some premium features, like advanced filtering, are only available in paid tiers. However, it's worth noting that the premium versions come with extended support and enhanced capabilities, which could be beneficial for businesses requiring more intensive email management. For those looking to try other email managers as well, Clean Email offers a solid alternative for managing inbox clutter effectively. You'll find the link in the video description, so be sure to check that out to compare and see what works best for your needs. Xeams offers competitive pricing with a freemium model. The free version is packed with features that suit smaller needs, while paid versions range from modest to higher rates depending on storage and additional features. The scalability makes it a worthwhile choice for companies looking to invest in email security and management. If you're considering Xeams, it's definitely a tool worth exploring for its secure and versatile email solutions. Don't forget to subscribe to this video and leave a like if you found this walkthrough helpful.